Hello everyone, this module is all about Tap Payment Acquire. So in Tap Payment Acquire Odoo App seamlessly integrates the Tap Payment gateway into user platform, offering business and the efficient solution for managing direct and debit payments with the ease and security. This app simplifies the payment collection process by enabling automated recurring payments and on-off transaction directly from the customer's bank account and reducing reliance on the manual payment tracking and ensuring a smooth cash flow. This app ensures that payment details are securely processed and synchronized within the Odoo system, minimizing the errors and enhancing operational efficiency. So let's see how this module will work. So we go into the website. Under the website, we go into the configuration tab, and here we have payment provider, and here we have tap payment. Under this, we go into the tap payment and we'll make sure to enable, and we will, here is the message you can see: pending message, done message, and the cancel message. All of this type of message will be shown. We'll add the details over here, and now we'll use the tap payment for the shopping. We go into the shop, we choose any product over here, and we will confirm add to cart, and we will go into the view cart and we'll check out this payment and we will confirm it. And now you can see, as a payment method, here we have tap payment method, and we can make a save payment details as default if you want to, or if you don't want to, you can just unclick it and you are ready to go. So right now we click on the tab and we will pay now, and it will load you to the tap payment acquire screen over here. And now we have to add all the details over here for card details, month, year, CVV and everything, and we will save. After adding all the details, we will pay Visa over here. Click on the pay button, and it will process. And while it's after completing the process of that, it will give us this authentication result page over here. We will submit it, and after submitting, it will be configured to the payment gateway. And here you can see the payment is successful. The message will be shown to you that your payment has been successfully processed over here. And here you can see our order is created, which is SO0038. Now we will go into the website again over here. Another website configuration, we go into the payment transaction. And under the payment transaction, you can see our order is also 38, and here you can see all the details like payment details, amount, method is tap method over here, who is the provider is tap, and here it is confirmed. We go into the sale order, and here you can see sale order is created, and here you can see the invoice for the sale order, and here you can see the message that transaction with the reference has been initiated and has been confirmed, and each and every detail will be shown over here. And this is the invoice PDF. You can see there is the order PDF with the drawer black and the standard delivery, and everything will be included in this. And you can also see the same sale order in the sales module, which we go into the sales module, and here you can see SO0038, which will be created over here, and everything will be sales order, PDF, and everything will be done over here. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.